Okay, so we're Team Rocket again. I'm Kelsey, Jared, Mike, Kevin, and David. And so our objective was we had to build a robot that performed like a function that did something. And we could either work together as with another group, but we decided not to since we felt like our group had already kind of worked through our way of doing things, and so we decided to stay just together. And then we could have used a previous robot or use something online, but we decided that we wanted to do something completely new instead. And we didn't use duct tape or glue, and then we did use some expertise that Jared brought. And originally, we ended up going with our first idea, which was to have our useful robot be something that could use the toaster. Unfortunately, we couldn't find a Star Wars toaster, so it's not quite as much fun. But we wanted our robot to be able to load the bread and then turn the toaster on. So that was the objective.
So first design the robot is building a claws to grab the bread and then put it into the toaster, press down a button, and then when the toaster done, it will grab bread out of the toaster. So the base is have one motor connect to the button to press down, and another motor is to rotate the claw, and one more is to load down the arm and then rise it up. And so we have the first problem with the claw. So the next slide. And this is the first claw we have here. Because the claw wouldn't open because we don't have any motor connected to it. So we use the rubber band and connect it to the claw. So when it moves down, it will open, and when we want it to close, we need to move it up. So sometimes it don't open and close as we want. And another problem is with the whole arm. The arm is too heavy because we have too much extra pieces which we don't need on it. So what we did is we removed those extra pieces. Yeah.
Another problem we had, of course, was bracing. When we first had the motor to pull down the lever for lowering the post in there, it would actually raise the entire robot up instead of just pulling the lever down. So I talked to Jay about it. He said we could make a brace for it. Just ended up using wood, and we ended up screwing the robot down to the wood. Actually, it's just a regular OSB board with 2x4s. So that solved that whole problem. So that things are really stable and had a good solid heavy base on it. Attaching it to there was pretty simple. Just got some regular screws screwed down to the base, to make sure everything lined up. The problem we had at first was the toaster was really tall, and we tried raising it up, and that just caused it to be really unstable because it was raised up so high. So that's why we put the 2x4s on there to help give it a more solid base and just make it heavier so it wouldn't be so wobbly.
So we came up with a new design. So rather than just pitching it with two angle pieces, we wrapped it with a pair of 3, and it's more stable. And instead of using gears, Jared found some springs around his house that are more useful than the gears, and it operates much smoother and less tricky. So programming, we didn't have a laptop for a while to program it, so we weren't able to start until yesterday, and we finished it up today. So that was really interesting. This is the program I came up with. It waits till the toast pops up, so the ultrasonic sensor can see it. Then the motor A moves the claw into position. Then motor B moves it down. Motor C closes the claw. Then motor B again moves it back up. Motor A twists it so you can drop it like on a plate. Motor B moves it back down. Motor C just releases the bread.
Alright, so how this thing works is you go, you set the toast, it goes in, toast pops up, the ultrasonic sensor detects the toast, the claw rotates into place, lowers down, grabs the bread, lifts it up, and rotates it back to its starting position. Lowers it and drops it down there, if it was a plate, nice and pretty. And this was named the EdBot in honor of Ed, and the wonderful Ed, who's always yelling, butter toast. Yes, since it's a robot not toast, it's called the EdBot. And basically, over there's our robot.
Okay, let's see.
And then have you heard?
Hey, David,
What?
how do you run? Like, request the file to start the program?
Which one is this one, I think?
It's the first one up.
Okay, now it's working, I think.
Okay, so
So close.
Okay, try one more time. Oh, no.
The gray button. Yes.
Please run the list.
Okay, any questions? Okay, thank you.